This is how you can use AI to make your first $1,000 as soon as this week. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can have a product ready to sell within 24 hours or less. Let's get into it. All right, so I wanna walk you through how you can actually make money with AI. There's only a few elements that you really need to make money online. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya. I've made over $10 million online selling digital products and software products and as an affiliate marketer. And after generating $10 million online, this is what you need to make money. Now, with AI, I'm going to show you how you can do this a lot quicker than I did in the last 5 years. Okay, so there's only a few elements that you need, okay? Element number one is you need a product, okay? Now, of course, I'm gonna show you how to create all this using AI, but I just need you to understand how to actually make money. All right, number two is you're gonna need an automated system, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to tap into one using AI as well, okay? But I just wanna show you what you need, okay? Automated system, okay? This is basically a system that sells for you. That way you don't have to do the selling yourself, okay? And the third thing that you need is you need customers, okay? And that's it. Now, I'm gonna show you how to get customers using AI as well, okay? So 99.9% of the work is going to be done, but these are the three things that you need. Now, just for context and understanding these three things, number one is, again, you need a product, okay? Now, when I first started, it took me months to create products, and I create digital courses, so it would take me weeks and months to create these videos. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use AI to do it very quickly. More importantly, I'm going to show you how you can even tap into an already done AI program that you can start selling within 24 hours or less. All right, number two is you need an automated system. Now I want to draw this out for you because this one is the most powerful. Okay, this is what I've used to make millions of dollars online. Again, you're not going to have to recreate this because I'm going to show you a system that is already done for you, okay? But I just want to show you how I've made my money, okay? So basically is I send people to a page, and this page has a video where it sells them the product, okay? Now, the cool thing is when people go to this page, it has like this cool headline here that tells them about the product. I go ahead and collect an email, okay? So I collect their information. So I collect their information, and then after this automated page sells them the product I'm selling them, it then sends them to an automated course or an automated members area, right? So this is a members area where they get the things that they bought. So maybe they bought, maybe videos that teach them how to do AI or whatever it is, right? Because they want to learn how to do something online, whether it's how to use AI or how to do real estate or whatever it is, right? So that's basically how I've made my money, okay? Now, more importantly, I've actually taken this info and then I went ahead and used this to tap into multiple streams of income. So once I collect people's information, of course, they wanted to opt in or they wanted to give me their information because this page did a great job of selling it. But once I have this information, I can then send people to multiple products, okay? In my case, I send people to 40 plus income streams, okay? And that's it, okay? Now I make money on both versions, okay? So when people go to the members area and they buy the thing, I make money, okay? And then when I grab their information and send them to multiple income streams, I also make money, okay? And this is the system that has made me over $10 million. Now let's break this down by the three elements that I just explained, right? One, you need a product. Two, you need an automated system. And three, you need customers, okay? So let's kind of break this down. All right, so let's start with number one, the product, okay? So in this case, I send people to a members area where I give them a course, okay? So it's a video membership area where they watch a bunch of videos that they then purchased, okay? This is the actual product, okay? Again, I'm gonna show you how you can replicate this within 24 hours or less. The cool thing about this is all digital, okay? So, whether you create your own digital products or you copy the system that I'm gonna show you at the end of this video, this is a digital product, so you don't have to go and do the actual work. This is all online, okay? Now, number two is the automated system, okay? That's what this is here. This is the thing that sells the product or the course or the digital product. product or the book or whatever it is, right? So this, number two, this is the automated system, okay? This can also be extended to this right here because this automated system also sells multiple products, okay? But I don't want to go too much into this section right here because I want to keep this simple for you. That way you can make money as fast as humanly possible, okay? Now, number three is customers, right? Everyone always asks, how do we get customers? And this is where you can use AI to do all the work for you. Now, the cool thing about this is you can now use AI to either create videos online. You can use AI to post on Facebook. Let me show you some of the things that I'm doing to get customers using just AI. All right, so this is my Instagram account here. Now, I'm gonna show you how I use this to send people to my automated system that sells the products I'm selling, okay? But check this out, okay? A lot of these videos here are completely done using AI, okay? So I don't have to go and talk on camera. I don't have to go and, actually put on a suit. This is all using AI. And as you can see, people are actually commenting. They want what I have to offer, okay? And again, you can see all these AI videos I'm using to get people to go to my automated system. Again, if we look at this right here, this is all we're doing, right? So we can use AI, okay? So we can use AI content or AI to create, videos as I just showed you. So that's one element. So we can do AI videos on Instagram or Facebook or wherever it is. Another thing you could do if you don't even want to make videos is you can use AI text threads, okay? And this is going to be really cool as well. This is another way that I get customers as well, okay? Now, real quick, before I show you the AI text threads, I want to show you where I'm sending them, okay? Remember, we're sending them to an automated system, okay? Number two. Now, in this case, I want to show you where I'm sending them on Instagram, okay? So, if you go to this link right here, it sends them to this automated system. The page is selling the product that I'm promoting, okay? So I'm creating this highly leverageable thing that I can use to go and do the selling and telling for me, okay? Now, again, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use all these exact same pages as your own so you don't have to go and create them yourself. If you're excited to see how you can clone this system as your own, I want you to say AI Freedom down below, and we're gonna pick a winner to get this system absolutely free in the comments down below. So as you can see, we're using Instagram, we're using AI to get people to this automated system. All right, so now let's talk about a different way to get customers, okay? We talked about the AI videos, but let's also look at the AI text, okay? This one's gonna be really cool if you absolutely don't want to show your face, even if it's an AI version, okay? So let me show you how to use this AI text. All right, so this is my Facebook account right here. Now, I want to show you what I'm using. That way I can go viral using Facebook text threads, okay? Now, if I go down, I just want to show you some of these text threads here, okay? Something as simple as this, right? As you can see, I posted this, and about 36 minutes ago, you can see already 107 comments of people wanting this product, okay? As you can see, 107 right there, okay? Now, if I scroll down, here's another one right here. This one had 13 comments. If I go here, this one had 2 comments, but I want to show you, here we go. This one had 49 comments, as you can see. And the thing is, I continue to post, even if sometimes I don't get comments or that many likes, I continue to post. I continue to put things out there because I can use AI to do it a lot more quickly, okay? Now, I want to show you some of these that are doing extremely well, okay? So if I scroll down, you can see this one right here got 40 comments, pretty good. Now, if I keep going, you can see this one right here got 180 comments, okay? So as you can see, even though sometimes I get 1 or 2 comments, sometimes I'll get hundreds of comments, okay? So the goal is to continue posting until you find that messaging that gets people to comment and want to buy your automated system. Now, here's the cool thing. You can do this all using AI, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, so if you go to ChatGPT, you can find this viral content creator that I created, okay? It actually creates content that you can copy and paste into Facebook, okay? So very simple to use. All you do is go to where it says GPTs here on ChatGPT and just type in viral content creator and you'll find mine right away. You'll see right here, it says viral content creator. Jonathan Montoya. Okay, you're gonna click on this and it's gonna allow you to start creating content. So here's an example of one of the posts that it gave me. Okay, so it literally gives me the main post. Okay, so 6 insane things you can do. And then it gives me all the comments that I can add. Now, that's kind of the strategy that I'm using. So if I go over here, you'll notice that I say, check these 7 forbidden prompts. And then if people go to the comments, then there's the 7 prompts, okay? That's the exact same thing I'm doing, except the AI is doing it for me, okay? So super, super cool. Again, if we go back to this diagram, this is all I'm doing to make literally hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month, okay? Now, here's the best part about all of this, okay? I'm gonna show you how you can clone this entire system, the content, the exact same pages, the exact same members area, the exact same course, all as your own, and how you can sell it at 100% commissions, okay? Before I show you how to get access to that, I want you to understand that you can actually go and create this yourself. You don't have to use the automated system that I'm about to reveal, okay? But you can go and create a members area. You can create a product, right? So you can go and do that. Number 2, you can go and create this automated page, automated sales system, this automated video. You can absolutely do that, okay? I will say that if you do that, it's gonna take a little bit more time, okay? Typically, a product can take 1 to 2 months, okay? And then once you have that product, you have to create an automated system. That takes maybe another 1 to 2 months, unless you're really fast, but typically it takes me about 4 months to create a product and then to create an automated system. So about 4 months, give or take, sometimes 6 months if things don't go right, okay? And then the third thing is creating content. That's super simple to do, okay? Now here's the cool thing about what I'm gonna show you, okay? I'm gonna allow you to copy number 1, so you can copy this as your own, okay? 100% commissions. And I'm gonna let you copy the automated system that allows you to promote, okay? So this exact page that I showed you earlier, you actually get to use this as your own, okay? You can put your bank information on it, so when people buy from you, it's gonna go to your bank account instead of mine, but you're leveraging this exact same system that I've used to make literally millions and millions of dollars. And essentially all you have to do is focus on number 3, is getting customers, okay? Whether it's creating these AI videos or creating these AI text threads, you want to be creating content every single day. If you look at my content, that's all I do. I create content every single day. Now, there's one more way to do this, and that's by creating AI ads, okay? Now, this is for those who actually have a lot of money to spend and they want to just get customers as fast as humanly possible, okay? We're going to talk about that in another video, but I want you to know that there's 3 methods to get customers: AI videos, AI text, and AI ads, okay? But for most people that are working a 9-to-5 job, I recommend just using AI to create videos and to create text threads. That way you can get customers. Now, if you're interested in copying this entire system, that way you can resell as your own. That means copying my exact same product. That means copying my exact same sales pages, copying my exact same automated emails, automated text messages, automated videos, automated sales system. Then I want to invite you to AI Freedom Launchpad. Now, with AI Freedom Launchpad, not only do we teach you how to use AI and how to create these AI twin videos in depth and step by step, also get to resell it as your own. Again, you can now tap into my automated system, an automated product, an automated sales process that you can sell as your own. Now, I'm going to leave a link to that in the first link down below in the YouTube description. If you click on that link, it'll get you access to AI Freedom Launchpad, where again, you can learn AI for yourself, but more importantly, you can copy the system and resell it as your own. I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.